us to get away. Just make my mind and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah.
What's up with you guys? Today we are back with another video. Today I did my first pair of bubble slides, y'all. I made this video probably sometime at the beginning of August, and I'm probably just now posting this probably at the end of it, but y'all bear with me. I just been working, and I just started back school and everything, so I'm trying to do this and that one thing at a time. But besides that, today I did my very first pair of bubble slides for myself, y'all. I do want to practice more, so I'm gonna just show y'all what I did. I've been watching videos on these, so I really did learn from my mistake with these. But yeah, to not talk so much, we finna get straight into this video, y'all. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Just right here, I'm just standing the shoe down because you just want to stand your shoe down so that your rhinestones can just stick and stay on the shoe very good and well. And without further ado, we finna get straight into this video, and I'm gonna stop talking, y'all. So you guys, something that I had learned about this shoe is you do not want to use your jewelry in a metal glue, just because like for me and stuff, like it turned my rhinestones and stuff white, to where like a parts of the shoe like a little, it's like a white spots and stuff. So I just been watching videos and trying to better myself on it. But I had started using my E6 1000 glue, I believe, yeah, right here, and that worked really good for me. I've been watching videos and stuff, and they've been saying to use this type of glue right here for this shoe. So I'm gonna practice with that glue on another shoe, and I'm gonna let y'all know how that goes. Don't get me wrong, the shoe is not bad, but it's just with the jewelry and a metal glue, it left like spots and stuff. So I do not recommend using the jewelry and a metal glue if you are doing a partial shoe. That's just my advice. Measuring it, and I was putting it on there, so I'm just be quiet and let you guys enjoy the video. Putting like a charm on the shoe. I forgot what these are, but they are pliers, I believe. I got them from Lowe's. They was like, I think $2, and they work so perfect for these bubble slides. It's just because it like holds down the gibbet and stuff, so it can just stick there. So you can just leave it there like for probably 3-5 minutes, and when it just be dry. So I do recommend this for bubble slides. I seen a video on Instagram with a woman, and she was using them. I was like, oh, that's a pretty good idea. So I just started using these for these. And you can probably use it for Crocs and stuff, but it was a 10 out of 10 for me.
I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up.
Right here is when I had started sanding the shoe down again. It's just because I am finna start filling in the shoe with the rhinestone. The size that I had used for these, I believe, is 2mm. I don't know what. Yeah, I just checked the description box below because I do not want to get y'all wrong. I just know it was the sticking to the smallest size. So yeah.
The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class. That's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. But shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
I claps.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. When you forget something, baby, you're out of the time.